Come on, Sandy. Let's go. Honey, I'm going to take Sandy for a walk and meet that new neighbor down the way. I'll see you after a while. Come on, girl. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Ted from a couple houses down. Just wanted to come by and welcome you to the neighborhood. How are you doing?
Fine.
Good. What's your name?
Sherman.
Nice to meet you, Sherman. This is my dog, Sandy.
What a good dog! What a beautiful dog! Oh, what a good dog! Oh, what a good dog! Oh, good dog! What a good...
What are you doing with my dog?
I said, oh, what a good dog! What a good dog! Oh, what a good dog! What a good dog! Oh.
What are you doing? What are you doing with my dog? She's... What are you doing with my dog?
Stay there.
What are you doing? Get away from my dog, man. That's too much. I swear to God. Hey. What? Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
You don't want to be on that leash.
Get away from my dog.
Hey,
Come on.
you don't want to be on
Come
that
here,
leash,
girl.
do you, Sandy? You don't want to be on that leash.
Buddy.
You don't.
No. You're...
You want to go run, be free, Sandy, go, be free.
Come here. Where are you going? Sandy! What? My dog! You... What are you gonna do?
I hear my phone ringing. Nice to meet you, neighbor.
Not believe